Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 5 blaster boxes of Topps Chrome 2024-2025 basketball. These are pretty cheap, 20 bucks. Everywhere online, they're 30. So, thought we'd take a chance. It does say you can get super fractors out of the blasters. That's what we're looking for. Looking for Castle, Sar, LeBron James, Steph Curry, Luka. Typical names. Looking for autos. I don't think you can get relics out of basketball. Football, yes. All right, last box. All right, looking for monsters, per usual. Here is our packs. A little tough to stack. Chrome. All right, let's get into the first box. Those are not numbered. We're looking for rookie cards. We're looking for numbered. These greens right here are not numbered. That is of a Giannis. Too bad, because they're sweet looking cards. All right, we got a Victor Wembanyama on the pink. Insert not a rookie card. And unfortunately not numbered. Jamal Sheed on the pink. Or whatever that is. It's like a special type of refractor. Alright, not numbered. I think the number would be on the front. Come on, where's the supers hiding? Ooh, nice little Larry Bird right there. That is numbered at a 275. Kessler on the refractor, on Holland. All right, so first pack, we got a Larry Bird numbered card. Guess we'll take that. Holmgren, not numbered. Always double check. It's more like a logo fractor, that type of green. Not just solid. All right. Pretty weak first 2 boxes. I got one numbered card. He's at 275. Got to step it up. Come on, we're asking for the super. Let's get the super. Kevin Garnett. There we go, Stephen Castle. All right, LeBron James, we take. right. 2 boxes left. Can we get lucky? A lot of vets, a lot of retired players. Curry refractor, we'll take that one. Honestly, it's probably one of our best cards. Come on, super. We've never pulled a super. Come on, Stephen Castle super fractor. Be crazy. But why not? Why not us buy enough? Absolute junk out of these packs. 1 numbered card out of 5 boxes. 2 rookie refractors. There we go. Kyle Filipowski on the green one. All right, last pack. Appreciate you watching. Unfortunate opening. And that's going to do it. Thank you for watching.